Is your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max frozen or unresponsive? A force restart is a safe way to reboot your device without losing any data. This bypasses software hangs caused by app crashes or iOS bugs. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Second, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. A force restart should be your first step when your iPhone freezes. If the problem continues after the restart, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You can check for updates in Settings, General, Software Update. While generally safe, avoid excessive force restarts, as overuse can contribute to battery wear. If force restarts don't solve the issue, it may indicate a deeper hardware problem requiring professional repair. Remember, this method is distinct from a factory reset, which erases all data. Force restarting simply reboots the system. In most cases, this will solve the problem and get your iPhone working again.